Today we'll upgrade kitchen cabin hinge to soft close. This is with soft close, this is without soft close. Noise wise, it's pretty noticeable. Open the cabin, locate the old hinge. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove all 3 screws. But I made a mistake here, which I shall compare the old and the new hinge location before removing it. I will demonstrate this later. Cabin door will be fine if just removing one hinge. Comparing the old and new hinge, the new one has a damper, which is the gray part. One of the old hinge screw is much bigger than the others. It is better to use the old hinge screw as the mounting hole is bigger due to this. Install the new hinge by using old hinge screws. And here is the issue. The hole location of the old hinge is different than the new hinge, as shown on the screen. Now I have 2 choices. Number 1, drill a new hole, which I don't want. Number 2, try find another hinge which has the same hole location. I choose the latter. This cabin has 3 hinges. The middle one is blocked by this piece. I tried the new hinge, it will not fit in. So that left me with the top hinge, which fortunately the hole location aligns. Put back the old hinge for the bottom one. Follow the same steps, remove the old hinge, install the new hinge. Then you're done. Now give it a try. Soft close is pretty good, much quicker and slower.